So what's up community, welcome back to our YouTube channel with amazing and fabulous videos. So our today video is about new amazing cryptocurrency project. Its name is Indosia. So guys, you can check here, this is the product side of Indosia. So guys, let's start our video. Indosia is a crypto wallet for everyone. Cryptocurrencies and tokens 1000 plus, the Indosia wallet secure ACID using elliptical curve cryptography and stores cryptographic keys in secure offline storage for its custodial model. Indosia Wallet multi-currency wallet. The Indosia Wallet provides a secure and unified platform for managing various digital assets including ERC20, BP20 tokens and even government issued currencies. 1000 plus tokens, 3 up to network. And next you can check here crypto deposit. Effortlessly deposit crypto from exchanges. A simple single currency wallet for buying, storing, selling and exchanging cryptocurrency. You can check here buying. You can buy coin and tokens then store them securely within the Indosia wallet, which supports both custodial and non-custodial storage. Storing. The wallet stores coins and tokens using industry leading security protocols including elliptical curve cryptography. You can check here exchanging. The platform offers a decentralized exchange Indosia Swap for secure trading and a multi-asset wallet Indosia wallet for non-custodial storage of your assets. Yeah, next you can check here Toka Connect DeFi compatible using Indosia platform. You can exchange coin, buy token, swap token and deposit token crypto from more than 100 different decentralized applications. You can show here, you can see this here the 100 different application. You can see that you can select any application. You can see this OpenSea, Zapper. You can check here Uniswap. You can see this Compound, Balancer. You can check here. Next you can check here testimonials. What people say: a simple single currency wallet for buying, storing, selling and exchanging cryptocurrency. You can check here, you can see this Jason Snort trader. As a long time crypto user, I appreciate the choice between custodial and non-custodial option. It gives me peace of mind. Nick Grand developer. The wallet handles my ERC20 and BP20 tokens flawlessly, making it incredibly convenient to manage all my assets in one place. Dora Adams investor. You can check, you can read carefully article. You can see this Oliver Plant blogger, Nick Green developer or an entrepreneur. You can see this and next you can check here popular question. Do you have any question? You can check here frequently asked question. What is Indosia? What is the Indosia wallet? Where are its features? What is the security of Indosia platform? You can see this. You can join the community now. You can check here, you can click here and see this about our discuss. You can get Indosia now. So guys, you can click here, then you can see this Indosia pre-sale page is open. You can check here. So first of all, you can connect your wallet. You can click here and then you can connect your wallet. You can connect any wallet, MetaMask wallet, Trust wallet, Phantom wallet. Then you can get Indosia now. You can check here the pre-sale stage 1 pre-sale. You can see this queen name Indo, queen price. You can check here one Indosia is equal to 0.0050 pre-sale Ethereum ERC20 token allocation. You can check here. So guys, you can connect your wallet, then you can enter your Ethereum amount, then you can get indoor. Now you can see the stage 2 pre-sale is not active now. So guys, you can select your payment method Ethereum USDT. You can check here how to buy. You can see the step-by-step process. Number 1, connect wallet. Click connect wallet to link your wallet. Number 2, select payment method, choose Ethereum or USDT above. Step 3, choose stage. Find an active pre-sale stage. Step 4, enter amount, input how many tokens to purchase. Step 4, ensure balance, have enough Ethereum in your wallet. Step 6, complete purchase, click buy and improve the transaction. You can see this. So you can find your active stage. You can check here, then you can enter your Ethereum amount, then you can get Indo. Now you can see this stage 1 is active now. You can check here and next guy you can see this stage 3, stage 4. You can see this is not active. You can check here sale information. Minimum purchase per stage $10, maximum purchase per stage $10,000. Pre-sale allocation. You can see this listing price $0.02 TG date cost number 4 2025. And next guys, you can check stage 5 is not active. You can see this public sale detail. You can check here public sale, queen name, Indo, queen price. You can check here public sale Ethereum ERC20. You can see this Indonesia referral program. You can check here, share your link with friends and earn 4% Indo per successful purchase. So guys, you can invite your friend, then you can get commission. Now you can see the white paper. You can click here and see this white paper. It is open now. It's take time. Then you can see here the white paper open, introduction. You can check here mission and vision. You can see this token matrix, Indo token, why holding. You can see this investing in pre-sale, transaction tax. You can check here project roadmap. You can see this project roadmap, customer 1 2023, idea conceptualization, security in building, customer 3 2023, concept development, market research, evolution of market, visibility of product, customer 1 2024, tokenomics modeling, social account setup, marketing and sales strategy, customer 3 2025, for social accounts growth, smart contract development, project document, project website launch, customer 1 2024, team expansion, non-custodial wallet, payment model, customer 3 2025, media press articles, token website launch, project marketing, advisor board formation, team expansion. You can check here, you can read carefully all is the roadmap. You can see this tax fee and slippage. You can check here tax slippage minimum 2%, maximum 9%. You can see the marketing plan. You can see the social media marketing. You can check here all is the marketing plan of this token project. And next we back to the home page and see this further detail. And next we go to the Indonesia ICO page. You can see this ICO page, Indonesia Indo token sale at a glance. You can purchase Indo token now. You can see this TG date 27 days 2 hours 6 minutes remaining. You can check here minimum purchase 10 USDT. You can see this our top partner. You can check here Stacks, Lona. You can see this Nair. You can check here WBTC. You can see this top partner. You can check here, and next you can see this introducing Indonesia. What is an Indonesia token sale? Indonesia introduced a unique cryptocurrency designed to power a decentralized platform that caters specifically to B2B operation. Launched in 2025, it integrates advanced tokenomics with full community distribution. You can check here why it's needed. Why is it considered valuable market opportunity? The market opportunity for Indonesia lies in its potential to revolutionize B2B transaction on a global scale. You can check here ITEL. You can see this Indonesia problem and solution. Real world problem, limited investment, scalability issue, obsolete tools, access limitation, Indonesia as solution. Limited investment, scalability issue, obsolete tools. You can check here access limitation. This is the problem and solution of Indonesia. And next you can check here why you choose Indonesia. Universal crypto commerce. Indonesia platform allows businesses to seamlessly integrate cryptocurrency payments, supporting a wide range of digital currencies alongside its own Indo token. You can check your smart contract solution. Indonesia utilize smart contracts to automate complex B2B operations such as contract management. You can check here. So guys, you can see this automated financial operation, decentralized framework. You can check here. You can see these tokenomics, total token supply. You can check here token network, ERC20 pre-sale price $0.005, 62% pre-sale, 38% CX and DX liquidity. You can check here. You can see you can purchase the Indo now. You can check here the roadmap. You can read carefully all is the roadmap. You can check here now. And next you can see the white paper. You can check here the edit result. You can see this explore your document, token matrix, security concern, financial product, token sale campaign. You can see the white paper. You can check here. So guys, you can buy the Indo now. You can click here, then you can buy the Indo now. You can check here. So I discussed this how to buy the Indo token now. You can see join this project on following social media platform: Telegram, Twitter, Instagram, Facebook. So we go to this project official Telegram group chat community. So guys, you can click here and see this Indoshare Telegram group chat community is open now. You can check here 260 members that join this group. So guys, you can join this group. Why invest in Indo? You can check here pre-sale, dive into the Talk to Me community 62%, token liquidity 38%. So guys, you can see this. You can join the Indoshare Telegram community now. And next week back to the homepage. So guys, our website video is finished. If you are like my video, then don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon